Hey, in this video we will take a look at the Heo Phone Custom WhatsApp Templates feature. You can find this option in the Message Templates section of the Settings menu. Here you will see a list of pre-approved templates provided by Heo Phone. To create your own WhatsApp message template, tap on the Create Template button at the bottom of the screen. Give your template a name and select its language. Tap on Continue. Now type your desired message in the box at the bottom. You can see the preview of your messages on the screen. By tapping on the paperclip icon, you can add images, videos or documents to your message. For example, you can attach the image of your product to your message. You can also add a footer, which is the text shown at the bottom of your message. You can use this to allow people to unsubscribe to your messages. Apart from this, you can add buttons to your message. You can set quick reply, phone number or website in the buttons, and you can add multiple buttons at once. Website button will always come on top in case of multiple buttons, followed by phone number and the quick reply button. Buttons will make it easier to get a reply from the user, since they just have to tap on one of the options. Last but not the least, you can add variables to your message. These variables allow you to alter the template every time you are sending the message. For example, you want to create a message for your staff that they send as an introduction to the customer. The first line will be, "Hi, I am your staff name." In place of your staff name, you can place the variable while making the template. So when the staff member is sending that template message to a customer, he or she will be prompted to write their name in place of the variable. That's all about Heo WhatsApp message templates. For any other queries, feel free to reach out to us via the in-app support section.